Three things I like about No Talking. No Talking is an interesting book that I wanted to read it again and again. In the story, a group of boys and a group of girls in an elementary school, they decide not to talk too much because of Dave Packer, the main character of the story's idea after he read Gandhi's story. In each sentence, they can only use 3 or less words. After reading the book, I like some of the parts in the story. First, I think the idea the writer used in this story is new and creative, so it makes me feel excited when reading the book. Although school is not a new thing for novels, the writer wrote this story by another side to make it more different. Like No Talking, Boys vs. Girls. Both are special. Next, another thing that makes me like the story is that the words the writer used are not very difficult, even though the reader's English is not too good, like me, can read this article easily. It's also an excellent chance for me to practice English and recite more vocabulary. The last thing I like this story is the writer, Andrew Clements. He wrote several great books before, such as The Landry News, Frindle. All of them are interesting books that I read before. He even won the Phoenix Award, a famous prize for the writers. After reading the book, I found many good points of this book, and they makes me love the story more. I also enjoy in reading other great English books. I wish I can meet more interesting books in the future. Thank you very much.